Hello, welcome back to another video by Grove Models. I want to extend a big thank you to the lovely people at Model Shack. They have kindly offered us a 10% discount, which I will share with you. This can be used on their main shop online. Keep watching to see how to get 10% off your next order. Hello, hope everyone is well. In this part 1 video we will be prepping the Stargate model. I start by using an emery board to sand the two joining parts for a better fit. We will be using the Funkracol sample pot given to us by the amazing Greedy 3D, so a big thank you my friend. The two halves were glued together using super glue. A quick wipe with a tissue and set aside to dry completely. A quick test fit, getting a better understanding of how it will all fit together. Using an engraver tool from Amazon to remove the little supports that are left. Model Shack does a fantastic job of removing virtually all the supports, very little cleanup is needed. Using an emery board to remove any stubbly bits. And a very sharp hobby knife. A quick test fit before I glue anything together. I'm using super glue activator for the Stargate rings. Once glued, I tested the fit into the base. I love Stargate and enjoyed SG-1 series. I've yet to watch the other two series and films. I'm currently on season 9 of SG-1. I'm pleased that the rings fit together really well. A little sanding helps and makes life so much easier. I couldn't resist test fitting the puddle to the ring. Using the engraver with a pointed bit, cut off any remaining supports. I won't do a review of the engraver, as Greedy 3D and Creative Collector have both done fantastic review videos on it. Please go and check them out. Using the airbrush with the air set to max, I blew off the dust left over. I want to say a huge thank you to the subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. It would help the channel to grow. Now it's time to assemble the parts. I made sure that all the parts fitted without any issues before gluing. I'm looking forward to painting this up. The second video in this series will focus on painting the base. This is a fantastic sculpture by Sanix. They have done an excellent job. Time to use the UV curing putty Greedy 3D sent me. This has a semi-stiff wax feel to it. I made sure to wear gloves when using this stuff. With gloves on, I used a fingertip amount each time, gently filling in the gap with the putty. Once the gaps have been filled, I then put the puddle into my UV cure station. A quick 5-minute blast of UV was enough to cure the putty. Moving on to the 2 Horus guards, I scraped off the remaining supports with my hobby knife. I'm considering painting the Stargate and the Horus guards in a very similar style to the SG-1 series. What model would you like to see being painted? Please comment below and I'll see what I can do. The Horus guards' helmets are very well sculpted. I will be on the lookout for more Stargate models in the future to paint. I'm only gluing the arms to the torso. This will help me hold the model as I paint the skin tones. 2 of the helmet fins broke off as I was sanding and trimming the model. A little bit of glue and we're back in business. This model looks beautiful. I put the parts together loosely, but wow, what a stunning model. To receive 10% off your order from Model Shack, please refer to the video description for details. Copy the link and you can use it on their website. I would highly recommend them. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.